5 Best Screwdriver Set. Here is the product number 5. JAKEMY Precision 45-in-1 Electron Torx. Precision 45-in-1 Electron Torx Mini Magnetic Screwdriver Tool Set Hand Tools Kit Opening Repair Phone Tools. 45-inch-1 Interchangeable Precise Manual Tool Set. Professional Portable Hardware Tools. Lightweight, compact design. High hardness and good toughness. PP and TPR material, non-slip handle. Here is the product number 4. ELECALL 31-in-1 Precision Handle Screwdriver Set. Free shipping 31-in-1 Precision Handle Screwdriver Set Mobile Phone Repair Kit Tools 7001. Made of chromalum steel. High quality precision telecommunication tools. Ideal for your telecommunication tools. Exact fit precision machine tips. Professional screwdrivers allow you to open cover of mobile phones easily and without damage to the phone cover. Here is the product number 3. Alloet Multifunction 8-in-1 Mini Aluminum Precision. Multifunction 8-in-1 Mini Aluminum Precision Pin Screwdriver Set Repair Tools Kit for Mobile Phone Hand Tool Set. 100% brand new and high quality. Portable Precision Screwdriver Set. Compact, portable design, elegant look. Non-slip cap with engraved pattern. Engraved pattern promises comfortable touch and labor-saving performance. Here is the product number 2. houseeker Precision 25-inch-1 Torx Screwdriver Set. Precision 25-inch-1 Torx Screwdriver Set Bits Mobile Phone Laptop Repair Maintenance Multi-tool Tools Screwdriver for Phone, Computer. DIY Repair your cell phone/eyeglasses/tablet PC suits for Apple phone 5/5s/6 repair. New 25-in-1 Repair Tools Kit. Professional hardware, powerful function. Here is the product number 1. Alloet Mini Precision Screwdriver Set. Mini Precision Screwdriver Set 25-in-1 Electronic Torx Screwdriver Opening Repair Tools Kit for iPhone Camera Watch Tablet PC. Wallet type packing, light and portable. Internal type batch head bayonet fixed, not easy to scattered. Full set of 24 batch head, complete specifications, can be adapted to work in many different fields. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.